Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a beautiful and inspiring day, and thank you so much for joining me today for another one of my sketchbook videos. This is sketchbook spread number 14 in this series, and in this one I am practicing Greek statue heads. I really wanted to practice my freehand sketching for drawing different heads at different angles. And as I shared in a previous sketchbook video, in which I also shared a couple of sketches of Greek statue studies, which I'm gonna make sure to leave a link to down below in the description box, just in case you haven't checked it out. Sketching colorless statues is really a great way to start developing our observational skills for pinpointing lights, midtones, and darks, so that we're then able to recreate them and give our drawing a sense of three-dimensional form. And as long as the statue itself has believable proportions in terms of the human anatomy, you're also able to practice recreating believable proportions with a subject that isn't moving. So it's super helpful. And if you're anything like me and you also have a similar goal to mine in terms of wanting to advance your skills in drawing believable faces or believable looking bodies with, proportions that are more on the realistic side of the spectrum, I would highly recommend doing this drawing exercise. And it would be even more amazing and would bring us even more growth if we actually went out and drew a statue from direct observation. Because drawing something from a photograph is a very different experience from drawing something from life or from direct observation. These two are very different activities. They bring about very different types of challenges. And I really noticed for myself, it brought me a lot of growth when I actually started incorporating drawing and sketching from direct observation into my artistic practice. And I actually wrote a blog post about this topic quite a while back that includes a video in which I'm actually drawing a still life arrangement from direct observation. I'm going to make sure to leave a link to it down below in the description box for this video in case you're interested in getting some tips for drawing from direct observation. In terms of the drawing supplies that I am using to create these sketches, as you can see, I am using very basic drawing pencils. I created my preliminary outline sketch using an HB pencil, and I then moved on to developing my different values with a 2B and then a 6B. Links to the drawing pencils that I am using, as well as a Mono Zero eraser, which is an item I frequently use in my drawing videos, will all be left down below for you in the description box in case you'd like to check them out for yourself. Alright, you guys, I am going to leave you now to hopefully enjoy the rest of this sketching time lapse, but not without first welcoming all of you new people just visiting my channel today for the very first time. I am super happy that you found me, and do consider subscribing because every single week I share new videos with art tips, drawing and painting tutorials, and encouragement for aspiring artists. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that little notification bell so that YouTube can let you know whenever I publish a new video. Otherwise, you may or may not find out about it. Okay guys, enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this video and visiting my channel today. I really appreciate it. I would absolutely love to connect with you over on different social media channels. My links will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next Friday, and stay inspired. Bye!